home. Let's click on Active Directory. And in the left-hand column, we're going to click on Groups. And up here, we're going to click on New Group. So we're going to create a new group. The type is going to be security. We're going to name this group Azure Administrators. Azure Admin. Group description is going to be CO Cloud Admin. Azure AD roles can be assigned to this group. We don't need to do that, but you can do it, so that's cool. Membership type is going to be dynamic user. So we're going to make this dynamic user membership type. No owner selected. We're going to do add a dynamic query. The property is going to be job title. Property is going to be job title. The operator is going to be equals, and the value is going to be Azure Admin, right? So we're going to click on Add Expression, and then we're going to click on Save. Then we're going to click on Create, and it is creating group. Group is successfully created. We're going to do a refresh, and there you go, Azure Admins. We're going to do New Group. It's going to be a security group again. This is going to be sysadmins. Sysadmins. Group description is going to be sysadmin. We're going to do dynamic user, and we're going to add a dynamic query. In the property, we're going to say, again, job title. Operator is going to be equals, and the value is going to be sysadmin, right? And we're going to say add expression, and we're going to say save and create. Successfully created group. We can close that, hit a refresh, couple of refreshes, and there it is. We just created these two groups. Both of them have dynamic membership assignments, so they're going to assign employees dynamically based on their job title. Now we're going to go ahead and create one more group. This will be new group. It's going to be a security group. Once again, on here, these are going to be lab admins. And it's going to be CO lab admin. And Azure roles we're not going to bother with. And this is going to be a assigned membership type, assigned. And then we're going to click no member selected. And who do we want to assign to this? We're going to put the we're going to put Azure admin and it was sysadmins. So we put Azure admins and sysadmins in this group, and we're going to assign them manually to it, and it's called lab admins. And we're going to press select, and we're going to say create. All right, now that that is done, let's just go do some verification of our work. So let's close out of that. Let's go back to Active Directory. Let's click on groups, and we got a couple of groups. And those groups that were to have dynamic assignments, if you remember, we didn't put any people in them. Let's see if the dynamic assignment is working. So the Azure admin should be the cloud admin, folks. So let's click Azure admins. And there is one user inside. As you can see, now let's go over here to members, and it's your boy. Your boy, if we click on him, we can see that your boy is an Azure admin. So that is correct. We're going to back up out of there in the groups, and he's in the Azure admin. Now let's go look at sysadmin. Sysadmin, let's look at the members of that one. And it's the boy. The boy is in that group, sysadmins. If we click on the boy, we can scroll down and see that the boy is a sysadmin from his job title. So he is definitely in the right group, the sysadmins group. Now we can go back, and if we go to lab admins, you can see that there are two groups that are direct members. If we click on members, we'll see that the Azure admins and the sysadmins are in there. So now we have created groups and verified that our users whom we created were either actually automatically assigned to the appropriate group, but then we manually assigned those groups to another group.